Narasimha has written, which category of debt-oriented funds is preferable in place of bank fixed deposits?
Normally one will be tempted to talk about the sophisticated the sophisticated kind of fixed income funds available, but I would like you to keep it very simple. Don't move beyond short-term debt fund. If your fixed deposit was going to be a very short-term nature, 1 year, 6 months, maybe if it was 6 months, consider liquid fund. If it was up to 1 year deposit or 1.5 year deposit, consider ultra short-term debt fund. If it was going to be a 3-year deposit, 5-year deposit, stop at short-term debt fund. Don't venture anywhere else, because the ups and downs of the market, the likelihood of interest rates going up. When interest rates go up, bond prices go down, and you will actually witness a loss.
Right.
Navigating through debt funds in a manner that you are not faced with an interim loss in between is important. So, short-term debt fund.